Andhra Pradesh Plastic Manufacturers Association. I am glad that CPET has taken the initiative to do the technical seminar for plastic recycling and waste management. It is a very important subject in the current scenario, and the program, the total session and the speakers will give the total information about how best the plastic waste can be recycled and how best the environment can be green and safe. And this initiative, which has been taken by the CPET in association with Government of India, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer, I think at the fag end, as one of the chief guests has said, कि this should have done at some time, not before the, maybe before the assembly session, so that most of the municipal authorities and municipal officers would have attended. It will be very informative for the most of the municipal officers and NGOs. And this program will take a lead to all the solid waste management issues can be sorted out. And we see in future, as you may be aware, that in Tamil Nadu government has given the mandatory that in road laying bitumen it has to be used, the plastic waste can be used. So that a lot of plastic waste can be used in that. And I am surprised to say that the municipal authority of Tamil Nadu government has giving the advertisement in the newspapers and putting the wordings stating that they are badly needed the plastic waste for mixing in bitumen for laying of the roads. So I also requested one of the guests of honor today, Mr. Janardhan Reddy, Municipal Administration Secretary, so that this government of AP should also come up with that sort of mandatory guidelines, so that where we can reduce our solid municipal waste in the plastics.